Dali! Naku eh.
Anong pangalan ng pupuntahan ni Raleigh?
Yobe, ikaw din.
Yun, sige, salamat. May na pa akong tatanong. Bye-bye. Yun, akin na. Ang kwati ko pala. Isa. Nakulita yung mga yun.
Ain't gon' be on you when they see you hit that dirty ride. Ain't nobody getting with my bro from on the side. He go by Bubba and he hit that different thing. I ain't run down to what I need tell. I show my move, everybody tryna do it. I lead the function, you know the ladies tryna scoop it. Now you just you, and I'ma do it all day. Dudes love to hate, so they tryna shoot me. Female stuck to me, I think they tryna glue me. I make the party shine bright when it started glooming. This beat was bubble gum, so I had to chew it.
Tama ba doon? Nalobot na eh.
Lian, ikaw naman, Lian. Papahuli ba ang Lian? Papahuli ba ang Fernandez? Dadaigin ba siya ng ko? Ang Fernandez, siyam. Ang ko, dalawa lang.
Talo ang ko.
Wala.
Yobe, ikaw din.
Eh, yung mama, papadaig ba? Lumapit na ang mama. Kanina sumasayaw eh. Dali na, bilis! Kanina sumasayaw eh.
Dali na ba doon? Tama na, post mo na.
Ito si Marilu Ansero. Hi!
Teach mo ito, Doggy, pa kaya yun?
This is the eldest of Erlinda Ansero. The next one is
Hindi kita.
Flor de Lisa Ansero. Hi, Pans! Flor de Lisa Ansero!
Bes!
Kawai, hi, Pans! The next is
Ikaw yun. Dom. Dom.
no need. No need. The next after me is
Wala si Cora.
Cora. Other side of the building. Then,
Ayun yan, ayun yan.
the youngest. Rep. Ah! The floor is yours. Then, Lian. Lian!
Kasi ba doon, teach mo ito, Doggy, na lang ulit-ulit.
Oh, ikaw dali. Teach me to doggy.
Patay mo muna.
Sige na.
Ulit.